Every drop of your blood carries information that can save a life or put one at risk. Today we're breaking down the science of blood typing, what it is, why it matters, and how your body decides your type. Human blood type is determined by the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of red blood cells. Antigens are molecules that your immune system can recognize. The two major classifications used in medicine are the ABO system and the Rh factor. In the ABO system, there are two main antigens, A and B. If you have A antigens, you are type A. If you have B antigens, you are type B. If you have both A and B antigens, you are type AB. And if you have neither antigens, you are type O. In your plasma, the liquid part of blood, you have antibodies against the antigens you don't have. Type A has anti-B antibodies. Type B has anti-A antibodies. Type O has anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Type AB has no ABO antibodies. If incompatible blood enters your body, your antibodies attack those foreign antigens, causing a dangerous immune reaction called agglutination. The Rh system is based on the presence of the Rhd antigen. If you have it, you're Rh positive. If you don't, you're Rh negative. This creates 8 common blood types: A positive, A negative, B positive and B negative, AB positive and AB negative, O positive and O negative. A safe transfusion depends on matching a donor's antigens to the recipient's antibodies. Type O negative is the universal donor because it has no AB or Rh antigens. Type AB positive is the universal recipient because it lacks ABO antibodies and is Rh positive. To determine someone's blood type, a lab uses a technique called forward and reverse typing. In forward typing, a blood sample is mixed with anti-A serum and anti-B serum. If clumping occurs with anti-A, the blood has A antigens. If it clumps with anti-B, it has B antigens. In reverse typing, the plasma is tested against a known A and B red cells to confirm antibody patterns. I tried my best here to show some examples of what it would look like. As you can tell, anti-A is clumping and anti-Rh is clumping, which means the blood type would be A positive. Same for over here. Anti-B is clumping and anti-Rh is clumping, meaning it would be B positive. In these next few slides, I have tried to show examples of what each blood type would look like on a blood typing test. Blood typing is a simple test, but it plays a critical role in transfusion medicine, pregnancy care, organ transplants, and emergency medicine. Knowing your blood type could save your life or someone else's. Here are some fun facts. While not deterministic, some patterns do exist. Type O has a slightly lower risk of blood clots, whereas type A has a slightly higher risk of certain infections. Type AB is the rarest blood type. Only around 4% of people in the world have it. These effects come from how antigens interact with the immune and clotting systems. Another fun fact is that pregnancies can also be affected by Rh incompatibility. If an Rh negative mother carries an Rh positive baby, her immune system may form antibodies that attack the baby's blood cells. This is preventable with Rh immunoglobulin shots.